What are assets? Let's break it down in simple terms. Assets are everything a business owns that has value, things it uses to operate, grow, and make money. Some assets are tangible. You can see them and touch them, like buildings, tools, machines, products, and vehicles. Others are intangible and you can't touch them, but they still add value, like a company's brand, software, website, or patents. Then there are financial assets, like cash in the bank, unpaid customer invoices, or investments the business holds. Let's break it down. Tangible. Physical things like equipment and inventory. Intangible. Non-physical, like brand and intellectual property. Financial, money-related. Cash, receivables, investments. Together, these assets help your business do what it does and grow. Assets also show up on the company's balance sheet. They represent what the business owns and what it can rely on. So, in short, assets are everything your business owns and uses to create value. Want more videos like this? Subscribe to our channel.